Hello friends, welcome back to your channel. Today in this video I am showing that how to increase your phone storage. And most of them are doing this trick in a wrong way and there is no need to download any third party application in your device. And to get better experience, you just follow my steps and now just move to the video. Hello friends, welcome back to a video. While you are uninstalling your unwanted application in your device, you are just dragging the application to uninstall option in your home menu. This is the wrong way. While you are doing this, you can lose more of your phone storage. If you uninstall like this, the app will permanently uninstalled, but the app database will be backup to your internal storage. For the solution for this is just open your settings in your device and there is a option apps. In other device you can see app manager or app info, and after selecting apps, all the downloaded application will appear like this, and select the unwanted application which you want to uninstall permanently with the database of this all application. Select the application which you want. After that there is the option clear data. Select clear data and just click OK, and the database has been permanently cleared. And after just click uninstall and just OK, and the app and the database also have been uninstalled perfectly. And our second trick is how to clear all the cached data within one click. While you are searching your cached data in your files or in your storage, you can't find any of your cached data. For that you want to just open your settings once again, and after that you can see a option storage. Select storage, and after that you can see all the details of your storage available, apps used by, and pictures, videos, etc. After that you can see cached data. If you are clearing recently, you can see more of the MB here. I have cleared my all the cached data few minutes ago, so I have less MB. And after just click cached data option and just click OK. Now our cached data will be removed perfectly in seconds. Now my cached data has been reduced to 1.12 MB, and you can also reduce your cached data from 500 to 1.12 MB also. And here you can also save more time in your device, and there is no need to search the cached file in your file manager or etc. And to get better experience, you want to just follow my steps by this video tutorial. And if you like our video, please share to your friends and subscribe our channel. And thanks for watching our video.